posing.
Hey sugar buns, welcome to my room. I currently go to university in London, so this is my tiny room. I am an interior design student, so my whole room is a little bit more decorated, but it is very small, so enjoy! My view isn't that great, but it'll have to do. If you live in a small space, I really recommend shoe rack. It saves so much space. My sheets are from Muji and they're the most comfortable sheets in the world. 10 out of 10 would recommend. On my wall I have a few pictures and sunglasses above my bed. And ooh, hi, that's me! These are my plant friends and they're on my desk, which is really long, which is a good thing because there's not a lot of storage in the room. I have a lot of things on the wall because what else am I going to decorate with? I am a college student. My room is usually pretty organized because I'm a little bit OCD but not clinically diagnosed. I just like things to be organized as they are, otherwise I can't function in life. I love clothes and having to fit everything in this tiny closet is a magic trick. I don't even know how I did it. Right next to the closet is where the bathroom door is, and as I said, there's not a lot of space, so a lot of things are just hanging, like my hats and coats and bags and belts. This is my bathroom. I just have the hooks from Primark that keeps everything hanging. That's me in the mirror, and this is the tiniest shower you'll ever see in an apartment, I feel like. But the only thing that mattered to me was it was an ensuite, and I didn't want to share a bathroom. I like to keep everything in an organized manner, so yeah. That was my room. It was really small, so it was a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little part of my life and how I live here in L-Town, y'all. And thanks for watching. Bye!